Why you can't afford to skip pop-ups and craft fairs as a small business owner. What if I told you there's an easy, fun, and highly effective way to not only sell more products, but also build real connections with your customers, all while putting your small business in the spotlight? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of pop-ups and craft fairs. If you're not already diving into these events, you're missing out on one of the best opportunities to grow your business. Imagine rows of curious customers, face-to-face interactions, and the chance to showcase your products in a buzzing atmosphere. It's one of the most powerful ways to get your brand out there. But here's the catch: it's not just about setting up a table. Success comes when you know how to find the right events and make the most of them. Today, I'm going to show you how, using a tool that's probably already on your phone. Facebook. Stick around to learn how to turn Facebook into your secret weapon for finding the best pop-ups and craft fairs, finding events through Facebook groups. First off, Facebook groups are a goldmine for small business owners. Imagine being part of a virtual community of vendors, all sharing event tips, insights, and opportunities. You can tap into local knowledge, ask questions, and get recommendations on the best pop-ups to attend. There are groups out there specifically for vendors like you. And all it takes is a quick search. Once you're in, you can start getting the inside scoop on events that could be perfect for your business, leveraging the Facebook event directory. Next, let's talk about the Facebook event directory. It's a simple tool to search for events happening near you. Organizers use Facebook to promote their pop-ups and craft fairs, which means all the details, dates, times, locations, and contact info are there for you. To get started, open Facebook, navigate to events, and start browsing. Use the search bar for terms like pop-up markets or craft fairs and filter by location or date. Whether you're planning for the weekend or months ahead, you'll find a lineup of events, doing the research that sets you apart. Now, once you've found some events, don't dive in without doing your homework. Not every event will be the perfect fit, so it's crucial to ensure the event aligns with your business goals. Look into the type of audience, the size of the crowd, and whether other vendors have had success there in the past. Reach out to organizers. Ask about the event's history, the crowd size, and the vendors they typically feature. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be and the more likely you are to walk away with a successful day of sales. In the end, attending pop-ups and craft fairs isn't just about selling products, it's about making connections, building relationships, and becoming part of your community. With Facebook's resources, you've got everything you need to find the best events,